Hello everyone and welcome to my channel where I review Nextdoor business opportunities and I give you advice on how to perform on Nextdoor and get more leads for small and medium business owners. So today I'm going to review a document that I have drafted. It took me some time to do it, where I have gathered all the ideas on how to use Nextdoor the best way, and this is a kind of a blueprint, including some standard operating procedures. So all my recommendations. Maybe you don't have time to watch all the videos of my channel, and everything is concentrated on this document. Before I review it, so my name is Eric. I have a company and we are doing Nextdoor automation. Company website is called nextdoor-agency.com, and we help you to grow on Nextdoor and get more leads. So before we dive in, I'd like to see again this wonderful bread loaf. Makes me hungry actually. But now let's see this document. I'll provide the link in the description where you will be able to download it. I'll send it to you. So this is a how many pages? Yeah, 14 pages, where I basically summarize before you start, or even if you have started already, to make sure that you have a proper profile setup with all my recommendations in terms of banner image, logo picture or profile picture. You should have it done both on the personal profile and on the pro page, the business profile. And if you are a company, I strongly suggest you to create a group, a topical group relating to your activity. So that would be, let's take the example of car detailing. You would call it car detailing in your city or your neighborhood. So car detailing in Dallas, and make all your posts in that group. So the group also has to get a banner so people can relate to the image you will put, and also there is a bio over there or introduction where you can state the rules or stuff like that. And inside this SOP I also link some important videos that I've made before that you might not find too easily on YouTube, but you will see along the way. Then I detail the publication strategy, generally speaking, and I go in some of the different functions of Nextdoor that you might not know of or that you have not exploited properly, that will help you get more visibility. Your objective is to get more visibility in order to be seen and remember as the car detailing company in Dallas. And also last chapter about if you value your time and you have budget, we can help you automate all these tasks. So I will not go through each of them, but just download the link. I'll put the link below in the description, but remind you of making a nice banner, a nice picture, so people can relate to you. Use emojis and describe your services. This is a link to my website. Create your business profile the same. Don't forget your email address, your website address, the categories you are working on, because it will help people who do some research in the search bar of Nextdoor here, for example. If I type software, then that's a key element that helps you stand out here in the business section. before the events and before the post. Put nice pictures that will showcase your activity before and after. Make a nice our story section, get recommendation, and post there once a month at least. That's what I was suggesting. So here I keep the example of gutter cleaning plus city. I explain you here also that why I suggest that, not only to be obviously found on Nextdoor, but there is also a small SEO interest in that, although you will not get a backlink because somehow Nextdoor decided that this link is not indexable, nor the one below, but even if it's no indexed, some people may search, for example, gutter cleaning or car detailing in plus city, and Nextdoor adds automatically the city you are registered to plus the state. So it's important to, if your company name is the brothers that just do gutters, I strongly suggest to add gutter cleaning. Up to you, but that's practice that you, if you implement, you will thank me later. And if you do it, you will of course have an advantage over the others. So create your own group, as I said, landscapers of San Jose. This will not show in the Google SERPs, unfortunately, but it will be easily searchable on the Google on the Nextdoor search feature. Then some tips about add another admin. If your account gets banned, you can recover it at a later stage. Be always mindful of the Nextdoor terms of services. You can accept or reject members. You have more control, and people can get a history of all your posts when you do all your post publications in a group. You can also send them a direct message with a commercial offer, so that's pretty nice to do. Direct messaging should not be spammy, otherwise you'll get trouble. It gives you also the opportunity to delete junk. It's if you leave your post open to everyone to join and to see, there will always be people who will post off-topic things, but unfortunately Nextdoor does not allow prior moderation, so you will always have to do it after. And you might have also to ban people if they are not respecting your rules, but after deleting a few posts, usually people understand that they are not welcome to do so. Don't forget to, as I said, add a co-admin. Here I show you in a different video that I've made why you should create your own group more in details. So now the publication strategy: post in your group every day. Here are some ideas of publications. I also give some bonus tip in this video. I've given you a way to plan in advance, make a calendar publication, make a publication calendar in advance, so that if one day you have a blank page, I don't know what to publish, you will be able to refer to that and use this AI suggested calendar. Very useful even for me. I strongly advise you to do it. And now I go more into the details of all the different features and sections that you can take advantage. So in your group, of course, there are various options to make different type of posts. There are some generic posts not related to your activity. Some of them have to be related to your activity. Remember that you can tag or add your website, your mobile phone. You can tag people and tag also your pro page. It's always good. so people can check your recommendations and everything. So don't miss out on events. Even if you like ideas of what to do for events, you can team up with neighbors having different businesses. And if you cannot do it on your own, you can do it with other people. Do it once a month. Once a month is a good recurring way to do it, or once every 2 months. But don't miss on making events. Even if people don't join it, they know that you're organizing events, and that's part of you being seen more than any other of your competitor who do not do it. Don't miss out on the for free, for sale and free. So there is also a strategy to be visible on Nextdoor. If you, of course, can sell or give some of the second-hand stuff that you have in your household, but you can also do it with the stuff that you have in your office that you don't use anymore. So that's a way to be also present and seen on other sides of your main timeline or your group. Grow your business page, so post in your business page once a month, get testimonies, recommendation, make sure people add you, your friends, your family, your customers to add you as a favorite, fill everything, and publish at least once a month. So, this one is definitely focusing on your business, and show your best gig, show your before and after, success stories, difficult things you had to solve and still succeeded in doing so. Direct messaging, so don't overdo it. Make it, I strongly suggest you to do it within your group, so you will avoid running into trouble. So as a welcome message plus the commercial intent. Here I also link a video that I've made earlier this month, where I show you how we automate these messages. Extend your reach, so add new neighborhoods to your profile to be able to see other people outside of your basic default neighborhoods and get to reach more people. Here I've made a video explaining how to do so, because sometimes the Nextdoor organization of the app change and is difficult to find. So by the way, we also help you to scale geographically. Let's say you are in one city and you still want to find leads in another city and have difficulties to do so. My company can help you do it. And I finish with general advices on making things too complicated. Just keep it simple. Sometimes one picture or one video is more than overloading too many media your post. Just make one call for action. The simplest things are usually the best. Monitor your general timeline to be the first one to respond. As this example, this person was quick to, it's an old post, but I was quick to respond to that one, and added the website, the phone number, and the tag of the professional page, and you can on top of this send a DM. That's totally accepted. It will not be seen as spam if you do it further to a request. And don't, I see that way too often, reply by saying I answered you in DM or in private chat. This looks sketchy. People may think you have something to hide. If you're a business and have rates, everyone can see your rates, and if people are asking for your rates, just say either my rates are available on my website, or just give them right away. You will save time than discussing people If anyway your rates are outside of the people requesting this budget, don't lose your time with people who do not have the budget to spend on your services. So also don't link too often out on external social media. Do it sparely, and don't import TikTok videos with still the TikTok logo. Does not look good. Usually they are poor quality and does not look very professional. But if you have a YouTube channel, YouTube videos are shown pretty nicely within Nextdoor, so you can post them and show what you have done in the past. So my recommendation is always work smarter, not harder. So if you have any requirement for help, if you value more your time, we are here. I am here to assist you, and you can see this video showing how some example of how I have automated one client's publication. And if you have any question, leave them in the comments below, or leave a like to that video if you find it interesting. Subscribe for more. So I am Eric, and do not hesitate to contact me for a chat. I'll be more than happy. And if you want to download this blueprint and have the time to read it carefully at your own pace, check the link below, and I will send it to you on your email address. I wish you a pleasant day, and see you tomorrow. Take care.